Hello parents, welcome to my video on what I want to update all the families about. I wanted to mention to all families, and I have been through our sessions, our daily sessions, but I want to reiterate and make sure all families know just in case. We have a favorites folder. There will be a semester B starting next week. And here's my information. You can email me asking me any additional questions, or once again, you can reach me in Class Dojo to message me. Okay, so I want to go and talk about the favorites folder. If you come to Schoology and you click courses and enter into our third grade class, you'll see in our front page, obviously this isn't loading, but this is Class Dojo. You will see on our home page the top portion and the bottom portion. I like to communicate to families that the top portion is for the children, obviously. These are all clickable links. And the bottom portion are for parents, where you have the record of assignment, work this week, previous week's, parent folder, class schedule. But for now, we're going to focus on this favorites folder. Each week it'll be updated. If I click on it, it'll take me to the favorites section. And as you can see, I asked the children to submit a favorites activity pertaining to different subjects. So that first one was language arts. This one is math. This one is science. Don't worry about this one. It was for the student who couldn't get in here. So it's basically this first three portion section. So if we click on it, it says take a picture. Sorry. It says basically the directions are right here. I just want to be discreet about certain things. Names and stuff. So it says take a picture or submit your favorite Edgenuity language arts activity you did this week. And the second portion, it says take a picture or submit your favorite Edgenuity math activity you did this week, and so on for science. So all they have to do is wherever your child is in their current module. Let's say we have reached module A, so most of the students should submit for each one assignment they did for module 8 for language arts, module 8 for math, and activity 8.1 for science. Now, maybe your child is in module 6. Well, if they're currently on module 6 of language arts, then they will submit an activity of their favorite from module 6. If your child is on module 5 for math, they will submit an activity pertaining to module 5 that they're currently working on this week. And if they're on module 7.1 for science, activity 7.1, then they'll take a picture of 7.1. Wherever they are currently working on, whatever they're currently working on for this week or the current week that each favorites should be submitted, that's the assignment they will be turning in. So if you want to ask me to clarify, I can, but once again, wherever your child is working, wherever your child is on the Edgenuity subjects or any subject that I'm asking for, have your child submit a favorites for that current week that they're on. The following week, so a new week will come, and I will ask for new activities pertaining to each subject. As you could see, this is only 3 subjects: language arts, math, and science. If I go to last week's favorite, which I move in previous weeks, which was week 7, here it is. You notice it's only 2. And the week before that was only 1. So basically what I'm doing is I'm slowly getting the children to get used to submitting their favorites. Next week, we will do math, science, language arts, and social studies. So that's the favorites folder. I will stop here. Again, if you have any questions regarding the favorites folder, please let me know. You can email me at evelina.tenna@lausd.net, or you can message me on ClassDojo. My next video will be about semester B, which we will begin on 1/30/31/2022. Yes, okay, that is all. Thank you.